The difference between making history and being history one day. Jerseys will be worn and chests will swell with pride on that one day. Fashion will triumph logic and memories will be etched on that one day. Fears will be conquered and odds will be braved on that one day. From the highs of joy to the lows of anguish, it will all be embraced on that one day. Rivalries will be redefined on the pitch and respect reimagined in the stands. The power of belief will emerge from the hearts of a billion. Songs will be sung, dances will be danced. And eyes will widen in wonder on that one day. And when that day comes, and when that day finally comes, glory will be immortalized. This is the ICC Men's Cricket World Cup. For everything ever dreamt for, pushed for, lived for. It takes one day.